Okay, this is the 5 o'clock in the morning, best time of the day, redneck repair. It's the oil pressure sensor replacement in an '04 Chevy Tahoe. So here we go. I think I got everything laid out. Extra lights. Give you an idea. Got my little nightstand with some extra tools. Got my sockets and tools up on the dash up there. I don't know if you can see them up there. They are. I got the camera on a tripod. I don't know how it's going to work so well. I hope it works alright. And my little light is clipped on. Let's see, there it is. Little clip-on light. Okay. And the all-important half-empty glass of wine. Homemade wine. Oh, it's not even very good. That's what makes this the redneck repair. Midnight repair. Okay, I got the cover off. We're going to go way back down behind there, way down on the block. Not looking forward to it. I watched the videos on YouTube. That's why I'm making this and gonna post this. Because if it helps someone, well, that's how I'm learning. So, here we go. Yep, no, what I need to take off, if anything. I got my step ladder and I'm going to have to lay way back over here. Oh my gosh. And I'm a fatty too, so this ain't easy. Fatty was a bad back. Let's see if I can get the clip off. Now on the video, they do actually have, oh, what's this? Oh. That's the clip. It's not even on. Maybe we get oil pressure. I'll put this son of a bitch on. I'll tell you what, there is plenty of stuff in the way. For some reason, fuel clip, safety clip came off. Okay, you know what? This might be easier than I thought. I do have the extra parts, ratchet, extensions, everything ready to go. Let's see if I can clip this son of a bitch on. Yeah, son of a bitch, not even hooked up. Makes me wonder if it's hard to tell. I can't get all the way down. See if the safety clip, it's not, I didn't hear it click. I think the clip's broken. But it says to be on. It's all the way down. Let's see if I got oil pressure. Or if I have to go ahead and change everything. Okay. Okay, get everything back from the fan. Make sure everything's back. That's fine. Save the wine. Okay. Just put the flashlight over here. Well, it's not going to help much. Maybe it will a little bit. Okay. Let's see. Oh, that's funny. Okay. So guess what? I've got oil pressure. This is probably the shortest redneck repair, but it's just apropos because here we are. That's funny. I had the part ordered, received it in the mail with the filter because I double checked, watched the videos, got all the stuff out, and I'm gonna turn this around. And what's funny, I don't know if you can see me, I hope that lines up. What's funny is all I had to do is just make sure the actual clip, the power, is hooked up to the sensor. So let this be a lesson. I sweated it for a week. I actually waited for the rain and 100-degree everything to pass, and built up the nerve to get out here. I got, let's go look, fender covered, step ladder, tools. So, okay, there's my door emblem. Love it. Okay, go ahead and just, I don't know if anyone knows what that is. Shh, don't tell anyone. Wait a minute. Oh, don't tell anyone about that either. This is my favorite little truck. I'm gonna close this down. Back of the truck. Don't tell anyone about this either. Shh. Those who make peaceful revolution impossible will make violent revolution inevitable. JFK, 1776. Oh, don't show that. Can't say that. Molon Labe, ancient Greek, goes all the way back to like 50 BC, means come and take them. So it was important for me to make sure that I keep this truck on the road. It is my main source of transportation. I love it. And I do kind of, oops, you didn't see that. Another little fancy part. Let's see. Oh, I love it. Don't tread on me. That's the Gassman flag. So I don't know if I can post this or not, because you know how our favorite, well, they don't censor, so pretty safe there. But we'll just see. I'll post it. I don't care. All right, everybody. I've got oil pressure. So I will bring you along on the next repair. Take care.
To say this transmission is important today on this Thursday live global edition is an understatement. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a key transmission.
The Inquisition, what a show. The Inquisition, here we go. We know you're wishing that we